The InterForm M3 package we have built together with Columbus is a package that again goes back to a concept that we jointly made of wanting to deploy with customers a standard that doesn't start from very low but has a high standard for standardization. We then are enabling customers to modify all the things that they wanted. This way we have done it here is actually that is a big synergy. So I would say it's 1 + 1 can equal easily 3, 4, 5 here for what we have done.
What we bring to the customer with the package, we give them additional options. They will meet limits on IDM output. They will sometimes have other needs, other wishes, they have other systems. And what we bring in with the package is to take over where they left the IDM solution. They can actually continue that one in InterForm instead. So they can continue their work, but they just have that really high starting point to develop the business and their business documents in an InterForm solution instead.
It's basically when you think that the investment cannot be justified by doing it in IDM, or you're actually perhaps even not able to, then you go to InterForm. But in other situations, just do it in IDM, and that's the right way too. You can actually have both things, and it will be good at the same time.
A Columbus approach for a customer, a cloud customer, should always be to analyze and find out, would you fit into an IDM solution? And I would say in 70-80% of all cases, it's a no, and we need to extend, and then we recommend going with InterForm because that gives us all the options we want.
There are so many things that we want to do, and especially feedback from our user group, common user group that we have. I think it's extremely helpful. We want to do much more around label printing. We've discussed that. It's where we have a lot of interest and feedback from customers. But I think also the other part of it is electronic documents is something that is arising and a kind of also a dominant topic on our user group. That customers want to know, how do we approach this country's regulations, how do we do this and that. But it's topics that is around output, especially from an ERP side.